Area of a trapezium and a polygon. Introduction. You have studied in previous classes about the shapes of a few rectilinear figures such as rectangles, squares, etc., and how to find their area and perimeter. A rectilinear figure is a closed plane figure formed by line segments known as its sides. The part of the plane enclosed by a simple closed figure is called a region, and the magnitude of the region enclosed by a plane figure is called its area. To review, area and perimeter of a few geometrical figures, shapes, are given below. Shape, diagram, perimeter in units, area in square units. Rectangle, 2 L plus B, L into B. Square, 4A, A into A is equal to A square. Parallelogram, 2 A plus B, B into H. Triangle, A plus B plus C, half, B into H. Rhombus, 4A, half, D1 into D2. Let us recall area of rectangle and square. Example, the perimeter of a square is 32 meter. Find its area. Solution, perimeter of the square is equal to 32 meters. This implies 4 into side is equal to 32 meters. Since perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side, this implies side is equal to 32 upon 4 meters, which is equal to 8 meters. Therefore, area of the square is equal to side square, which is equal to 8 square meters, which is equal to 64 square meters. Example, one square and one rectangular field with measurement as given in the figure have the same perimeter. Which field has a larger area? Solution, perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into side, which is equal to 4 into 60 meters, which is equal to 240 meters. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, which is equal to 2 into 80 plus b, which is equal to 160 plus 2b meters. Therefore, 160 plus 2b is equal to 240 given. This implies 2b is equal to 240 minus 160. This implies 2b is equal to 80. This implies b is equal to 40. Area of the square is equal to side square, which is equal to 60 into 60 meters square, which is equal to 3,600 meters square. Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to 80 into 40 meters square, which is equal to 3,200 meters square. Hence, the square has a larger area. Area of a parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height, which is equal to b into h. Example, the base of a parallelogram is thrice its height. If the area of the parallelogram is 972 square centimeters, find the base and height of the parallelogram. Solution, let the height of the parallelogram be x centimeters. Then, base is equal to 3x centimeters. Therefore, area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height, which is equal to 3x into x, which is equal to 3x square centimeter square. But 3x square is equal to 972 given. This implies x square is equal to 324. This implies x is equal to 18. Therefore, height is equal to 18 centimeters and base is equal to 3x, which is equal to 3 into 18 centimeters, which is equal to 54 centimeters. Hence, the base of the parallelogram is 54 centimeters and its height is 18 centimeters. Area of rhombus. Rhombus is a special type of parallelogram in which all four sides are equal. Area of rhombus is equal to half product of diagonals. Example, Each side of a rhombus is 20 centimeters and one of its diagonals is 24 centimeters. Find 1. The length of the other diagonal. 2. The area of the rhombus. Solution. Let PQRS be the given rhombus whose diagonals intersect at O. We have PQ equal to 20 centimeters and PR equal to 24 centimeters. Since the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles, therefore, triangle POQ is a right triangle such that OP is equal to half PR, which is equal to 12 centimeters. In right-angled triangle POQ, by Pythagoras' theorem, PQ square is equal to OP square plus OQ square. 20 square is equal to 12 square plus OQ square. 400 is equal to 144 plus OQ square. This implies OQ square is equal to 256. Or OQ is equal to 16 centimeters. This implies diagonal QS is equal to 2 into OQ, which is equal to 2 into 16 centimeters, which is equal to 32 centimeters. Therefore, area of the rhombus is equal to half product of diagonals, which is equal to half 24 into 32 square centimeters, which is equal to 384 square centimeters. Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is equal to half base into height. Example, in a right-angled triangle, the ratio between the base and the altitude, height, is 5:3. If the area of the triangle is 1080 square meters, find the measure of the base and the altitude. Solution. Let the base be 5x, then altitude is 3x. Therefore, area of triangle is equal to half base into altitude. 1080 is equal to half 5x into 3x. 1080 is equal to half 15x square. This implies x square is equal to 1080 into 2 upon 15, which is equal to 144. This implies x is equal to 12. Therefore, base is equal to 5x, which is equal to 5 into 12 meters, which is equal to 60 meters. Altitude is equal to 3x, which is equal to 3 into 12 meters, which is equal to 36 meters. The base and altitude of the right-angled triangle are 60 meters and 36 meters. Area of a trapezium. A trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel. The perpendicular distance between two parallel sides is called the height, altitude of the trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to half sum of the parallel sides into height. To prove the above formula, let us consider a trapezium ABCD in which AB parallel to CD and the perpendicular distance between AB and DCB, DE equal to CF equal to H. Area of trapezium ABCD is equal to area of triangle AED plus area of rectangle DCFE plus area of triangle BFC, which is equal to half AE into H plus EF into H plus half FB into H, which is equal to half H into AE plus 2EF plus FB, which is equal to half H into AE plus EF plus FB plus EF, which is equal to half H into AB plus EF. Since AE plus EF plus FB is equal to AB, which is equal to half H into AB plus DC, since EF equal to DC. Area of trapezium is equal to half sum of the parallel sides into height. If A and B are the lengths of the parallel sides of the trapezium and H is the distance between them, then area of trapezium is equal to half A plus B into H. Area of general quadrilateral. A general quadrilateral can be divided into two triangles by drawing one of its diagonals. Let ABCD be a quadrilateral. From point B, draw a perpendicular on AC. Figure 1. O produced CA to N. Figure 2. From point D, draw another perpendicular DP on AC. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC, which is equal to half AC into BN plus half AC into PD, which is equal to half AC into BN plus PD, which is equal to half diagonal into sum of the lengths of perpendiculars. Similarly, a parallelogram is divided into two congruent triangles by drawing a diagonal. Let ABCD be a parallelogram where AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC. Triangle ABC and triangle CDA are two congruent triangles. Area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to 2 into area of triangle ABC, which is equal to 2 into half AC into BN, which is equal to AC into BN. Example: find the area of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 20 centimeters and 16 centimeters, and the distance between them is 12 centimeters. Solution: let ABCD be a trapezium where AD parallel to BC. We have AD equal to 20 centimeters, BC equal to 16 centimeters. Distance between parallel sides is equal to 12 centimeters. Area of trapezium is equal to half sum of the parallel sides into H, which is equal to half BC plus AD into H, which is equal to half 16 plus 20 into 12 centimeters square, which is equal to half into 36 into 12 centimeters square, which is equal to 216 centimeters square. Area of a polygon. A closed figure bounded by 3 or more line segments is called a polygon. A polygon is said to be regular if it is both equiangular and equilateral. A polygon is named according to the number of sides it contains. Name of the polygon: number of sides, shape. Quadrilateral: 4. ABCD. Pentagon: 5. ABCDE. Hexagon: 6. ABCDEF. Heptagon: 7. ABCDEFG. Octagon: 8. ABCDEFGH. Similarly, 9-sided figure is called nonagon and a 10-sided is called decagon. To find the area of a quadrilateral, we draw diagonal to split it into two triangles and then find its area. The similar method is followed to find the area of a polygon. Example: find the area of following pentagon ABCDE, where AD equal to 16 centimeters, AF equal to 4 centimeters, FG equal to 6 centimeters, BF equal to 5 centimeters, CG equal to 8 centimeters, and EH equal to 5 centimeters. Solution: area of pentagon ABCDE is equal to area of triangle BFA plus area of trapezium BFGC, which is equal to half AF plus BF plus half BF plus GC into FG plus half GD into CG plus half AD into EH, which is equal to half 4 into 5 plus half 5 plus 8 into 6 plus half 6 into 8 plus half 16 into 5. Since GD equal to AD minus AF plus FG is equal to 16 minus 4 plus 6, which is equal to 6 centimeters, plus 24 plus 40 square centimeters is equal to 113 square centimeters.